What's up, traders? So I'm back. Just wanted to kind of run through what we're going to be looking at this week and kind of get a good understanding of what we're going to tag. Okay, we did have a bounce up off of this line. It's absolutely beautiful how that happened. This is huge, man. Look at that move. Not really a pullback here, not really a pullback here, so not a whole bunch of room to actually get in it outside of the origination point here. So that's super interesting to look at. Of course, I'm going to look at that. You guys kind of know my pattern now. USD, I love looking at the USD pairs and paying attention to them. It's just something, it's a preference, you know. Let me see here. If we have anything coming up on this, I'll leave those. That one is marked. Locked in 10% here. Pulled up. We went down. Yeah. So we're out on this, and that was an 11% move. Huge, absolutely huge. Looks like we want to go up from here. We're pretty extended, pretty much overextended. So yeah, I can see that maybe happen. Sorry about that. All right. I'll give you guys motion sickness with all this scrolling. I don't know. It feels like it's stalling. I don't know if it's due for a pullback just yet. I can watch that a little bit longer. NZD USD definitely looks like it's wanting to roll over. It already did here. We're going to be coming up on the 50 MA for the 4-hour chart. So that could be a huge breakthrough level. Yeah, we're sitting at a pretty interesting level there. Pretty interesting level here. Definitely want to watch this one. So I've been kind of watching this one, tracking this one all the way up, and just kind of trying to see if it's going to react at this level and drop down, because it's been trending upwards for a while. Yeah, about 2 weeks. So definitely want to watch that one. I think this one's going to be probably the most important out of the NZD pairs that I'll be watching. NZD CHF. Super indecisive. Well, sideways. Here we go. Maybe you see it drop down. I like all the NZD pairs. NZD CAD. I'm done with this one. So this is a pair that I was wanting to kind of be the poster child for pyramid play, but we went sideways. It just didn't work out. So we actually would have got stopped out. There's nothing to trade here, in my opinion. It was interesting. We got out. We kind of went sideways here. Right off of this key level, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that. definitely like the GBP pairs right now. I've got some running profit in each of them. Well, besides GBP USD, obviously. So we're still running here. I'm probably out because we just broke that 50. This is going to be it. This is where I want to really pay attention. Try to see what happens. Yeah, that's super interesting. I'm not out yet, but yeah. We lost on both of these. 11% locked in here, and then we lost on these 2%. This is fine. Oops, okay. Interesting. I'm not sure. I'm not sure on this one. Exactly what's going to happen. Close that down before I get all kinds of notifications. Okay. GBP JPY. I don't know. I don't know on that one. I think that we're going to stop. Yeah, GBP, JPY, it seems like we dropped down 11%, and then I was trying to, play this pullback and kind of got my lunch ate. That's kind of one of the dangers of playing these quick little moves is your timing's got to just be on point. And even though I was right, there was, somewhat right, I'll say, right? I knew it was going to trend down like this, but my profit target was offline. So I think that's what happened here. I'm going to lie to you. Yeah, I just got pushed out right here on both of them. So I'm out here, and then I ended up taking this, and yeah. So break even out 1%. So anyways, maybe I'll watch that just so I can become a student of this GBP pair. Yeah, that could be interesting because I can always exit it later or remove it later. So I think I'm going to do that actually, since it's Monday and today is the day to do these types of things. GBP CAD. So this, I've played this one like a fiddle. Stayed in this channel. It's just stayed in this channel. It's been really good about that. Pretty predictable. We got this 1 hour thing coming up, but I don't know if we went down far enough yet. I'm going to look for hesitation and then continue downwards, depending on how bad the hesitation is. I'm going to see how it acts right here on the 50 EMA. So if you'll remember, it's not just GBP CAD. There's also I think it was this one, or somebody else that I was looking at. NZD, it seems to be. Yeah, NZD. I'm trying to see how it's going to react here on the 50. What it's really going to do. Actually, it's on 4 hour here, so 200 EMA. I really want to see if it's going to pick a direction. I'm not sure. On CAD, same thing. I'm not sure what direction we're going to pick. So this could be interesting. I'm gonna keep those. Keep those close proximity, because it could be super interesting to see what happens next. I'm not 100% sure about GBP AUD, what direction it wants to go. I'm just gonna watch all these GBP pairs actually. Super sideways on Euro. I'm not trading on it because I don't know. I don't know the direction. This is beautiful. It's been trending upward like clockwork. Very easy to spot. I will watch that one this month or this week. GBP, Euro GBP. I don't know. I don't know what I might have picked here. Yeah, so we're breaking even right now. I guess I really thought this was going to climb upwards. He's got some sideways vibes here. I'm not sure. Could climb up. We'll watch it. I remember when I placed this one, it was based on this little pullback situation, and I was right to have gotten in right here. That's not a bad play. Yeah, bleed a lot right here, almost all the way to a point of getting stopped out. But this is a good example of a real entry, you know, real-time entry. I love this play. This is crazy good. 2.7. Might be worth getting out. Oh, we got everything converging right here. Yeah, we're out here. I'm gonna watch this. And then we're out at 273. What's today? The 4th? That's how that one's going to play. Euro CAD. Looks like I'm still running this one. Dude, I can't wait to actually start trading real money soon. Because I've been picking some freaking excellent spots. This is an entry for sure. We're in. And I usually won't do this, but this is a live entry, and I'm going to mark it like this. So we know the difference. Hold me accountable for this. In right there. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's just such a beautiful pattern, man. And now I gotta just kind of pick my spot and understand where we stop. It's probably gonna be like right in here. Put it right here just to be. Nah, screw that. Put it right here. And get out right in here somewhere before we even reach that. But yeah, I'm aiming down. We're going down. Damn, that shit's crazy. Wow. Okay, 1.7, and then I like to extend mine like this. Just a preference thing. Let me see if I can reach it. Yeah, okay. So one of the tricks I like to do in order to zoom out and really see where I'm going is I'll just change the time frame, and then I can manipulate this a little bit better. We'll pretend like both of these are going to go all the way down here, so we can really get a good look at what the damage looks like. So we're talking about an 8% move overall here, which is absolutely insane, man. But it's doable whenever you can see these things and you're trading a strategy and you're not chasing after anything. This trade just came to us, and it's going to look a lot like that, I'm expecting. So And as soon as it doesn't, or it turns around on us, we either get out or we wait until it gets close to that profit target that we just laid out. So yeah, we're bouncing off on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame. Huge downward candle last month. It's been 1, 2, 3 days in a row since we bounced off of here. So we were kind of stagnating, and then we dropped pretty significantly. So yeah, I feel really good about this situation. I think we're gonna drop down. I think I'm gonna make. That's gonna be a really strong trade. Okay, Euro AUD. Make sure that I watch that one. Euro AUD, they're kind of being held by this 50 EMA. You see that red line? Okay, let's see what the daily's doing. Seems to be pulling back. We'll see how it reacts here. 4-hour chart. CHF JPY. Daily's kind of sideways. Weekly sideways. Yeah, I don't know. I can't call this one. I'm not going to watch that one because I have no idea what's about to happen there. This looks like we might have a reaction at that key level. Looking for this to roll over. Okay, yeah, we'll watch that one. CAD seems to be kind of at the same situation. Yeah, I need to make this brighter so we can actually see that line. But we're reacting to a key level again. It's pretty interesting. Not a big, huge move or anything, but a quick pullback probably. That's kind of how I would want to play this. I don't think that this is going to be like a home run, but it could be just like a quick right here, maybe in here. Even though that seems quick, it's not. It's a pretty good move because we're on a daily chart right now. That's going to be interesting. I'll watch that one. AUD. AUD looks like it is definitely dropping down. So there's a big reaction here on Friday, and then today we're just riding it back down. Maybe we come back to baseline. Yeah, we're almost there. I think we're late on this one. I'll watch it for tomorrow. So remember, on Monday, I'm just kind of going through and seeing what looks like we should be paying attention to it, you know. That's really it. It's not really we're super sideways on this one, man. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. AUD JPY trending upward. Like real smooth. We broke this area, so yeah, I want to watch that. AUD looks like it's at a interesting point where it wants to turn around. This might be a quick pullback type of play. AUD, CAD, we're on the bottom of a range, so I'm looking for that to go up. see. We'll watch it. I'll keep it on the list. And the Dow Jones is up right now. Several weeks in a row. For the week, there's a weekly chart. So yeah, we've had a couple of rough days in here. Anyways, all right, that's it. One long video this time. Just kind of wanted to touch on everything, so we did, and we'll go in depth as the week progresses. Y'all know how I do. GBP, I think no. Is it Euro CAD? Yeah, here we go. Live entry here. Pay attention to this. This is super interesting. I'm gonna watch this, try to see if I was right on that, and if I should ever do a live entry ever again. Y'all know how I feel about live entries, but this is such a fat play. It's one of those where if you're not in that, you're tripping. So I'm in it. My stop needs to be like right here though. So I go adjust that. But anyways, yeah, almost 8%. We're in profit if we hit our targets here. Anyways, all right, guys. Catch y'all soon. Peace.